Imagine a life where you could neither see nor hear. When she was 19 months old, a disease left her blind and deaf. Any normal person would give up on life under this kind of a physical challenge. But Helen Keller was made up of a never give up attitude. Braving all odds, she excelled in her college and became the first deaf and blind person to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree, that too with high honors. She went on to write 14 books. She met 7 presidents and traveled to 39 countries, spreading awareness on social issues like voting rights for women, better treatment for the disabled, and anti-war campaigns. She wrote to newspapers, she gave rousing speeches, and helped establish the American Civil Liberties Union. Her life is an incredible story about what she chose to do with life and how she dealt with adversity. In her world of darkness, Helen Keller learned how to live and cope, but she never allowed her deaf blindness to define her identity. She designed her own life around language and friendship. She knew multiple languages and learned to communicate and lived a life devoted to helping others. Her life inspires us to never give up, to rise against all odds, and not to let our physical challenges stand in the way of achieving our full potential. The only thing worse than being blind is having a sight but no vision in life.